Hello and welcome to my video about the Kaon flash plates. Right now I have everything laid out right out of the box and I will install it on my Hilux. So first impression is it's very thick metal. As you can see, it looks very sturdy. It's very well made. I really like how it looks. It's everything you need. It's the front thumb and transmission guard. And now I will take off the stock ones and compare it to these. So now the stock ones are away from the truck and you see an immediate difference in size and also in weight. These two parts are lighter than the lightest part of these three. The stock ones are wider, I give them the credits for that, but other than that they are very easy to bend, and I'm now very excited to see how the new ones look on the truck. So now the installation is complete and this is what it looks like. The kitten runs through. I like how flush the underside is, so nothing can hang or hook there or block me from getting further. I really like this. The look is really cool, and the install was actually pretty easy, so there is nothing bad to say about it. So I hope you like all the information, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.